So today we're going to replace the wall fitting on a Pentair Legend. These two parts are worn out. You can see compared to the new replacement part, the little dog ears are broken off, and the parts in the back that cause a tight fit are also worn out. So I took this off with a pair of channel locks, and I'm going to replace it with this one. In the Pentair Legend package, you get the wall fitting and the male adapter that goes on the hose. Also, the old piece is worn out and broken. You can see compared to the new one, this whole piece is missing here, so it doesn't allow for a tight seal. You lose water pressure, and then your pool sweep doesn't work as good. So let's go over to the pool and put it in. Before we do that though, I want to show you this. We're going to put this in here like so. Okay, let's go over to the pool. So as you can see right here in the wall fitting itself, and you'll have to get over the edge right here, this part right here just screws right in to that wall fitting. You see how I'm screwing that in? Just like that. And what I recommend is once you get that in there, you take your channel locks and you give it probably a full turn with your channel locks until it kind of gets hard to turn, and then that's enough. You don't want to get it in there where it's too tight to remove if it ever breaks again. So a little bit more, overturn, and there we go. So now we take the new adapter, we put it in there, turn it. It ought to be a really nice tight seal. And there you go, it pops out. So we're good to go. And that's how you replace the wall unit in a Pentair Legend pool sweep. I hope this helps. Thanks.